Helo, Eirian dwi, a dwi eisiau helpu efo uned 4. Yn uned 4, da ni'n dysgu i ddeud where you come from and where you're going to. Yeah? Da ni'n gwybod dwi yn barod already. Da ni'n gwybod dwi. Dwi'n iawn, dwi'n gweithio, dwi'n darllen, dwi'n hoffi. Felly, heddiw, to say I come from, dwi'n deud dwi'n dŵad o. Dwi'n dŵad o'r Wyddgrug. Dwi'n dŵad o. A chi? Dwi'n dŵad o. Now, dwi'n deud, I'll say a place and you say dwi'n dŵad o in that place. Yeah? Okay. Harlech. Dwi'n dŵad o Harlech. Wrecsam. Dwi'n dŵad o Wrecsam. Aberystwyth. Dwi'n dŵad o Aberystwyth. Right, so, I ofyn, to ask one person, you say, o le wyt ti'n dŵad? Try it. O le wyt ti'n dŵad? Okay? Gofyn, ask me. O le wyt ti'n dŵad? Dwi'n dŵad o'r Wyddgrug. Gofyn I grŵp, I deulu, to a family. Yeah? Da chi'n deud, o le da chi'n dŵad. Okay? Gofynwch, ask. O le da chi'n dŵad? Da ni'n dŵad o'r Wyddgrug. Yeah? So, dwi'n dŵad, da ni'n dŵad. O dyda. Yeah? Ond, to say I'm going to, dwi'n deud, dwi'n mynd I. Dwi'n mynd I. Yeah? Dwi'n mynd I Aberystwyth. Neis iawn. Dwi'n mynd I Aberystwyth. A chi? Dwi'n mynd I Aberystwyth. Dwi'n mynd I Sbaen. A chi? Iawn, okay? Hapus? Dwi'n mynd I. Dwi'n mynd I. Ond, there's one thing I haven't said. You may have noticed that some words in Welsh change a little bit so that the first letter changes. Yeah? You may have noticed when you gwrando to pobl yn siarad Cymraeg, speaking Welsh. They are called treigliadau, mutations. They're supposed to make it easier for you to link words together. Once you start to listen out, you'll hear them a lot. Pan da chi'n gwrando, when you hear, listen to people speaking Welsh. For various reasons. Don't worry, and it doesn't change the meaning, so if you forget, it doesn't really matter. Yeah? But after O and E, there is a change called the treigliad meddal, the soft mutation. Only 9 letters change. The others don't. Okay? Now, you'll see the letters on the screen now, all these letters that change. Okay? So, I will just say a poem by Cyril Jones. It's in the book, yeah? And mae Cyril Jones yn dŵad o dde Cymru, South Wales. Felly, mae Cyril Jones yn deud dod. He says the word dod, not dŵad. It's a tiny difference, yeah, in the south. Felly, he's going to say dod o. Hapus? Da iawn. Right, okay, felly. I gofio'r treigliad meddal. Now listen, the name of the person changes to the place. I gofio'r treigliad meddal, mae Ceri o Gaerdydd. Mae Tom yn dod o Dal y Bont. a pam o Bont y Pridd. Mae Gwyn yn dod o Wynedd. Mae Dai o Ddinas Bran. Mae Bob yn dod o Fangor. A dyna hanner can. Mae Mari'n dod o Fargam. A Llew o Lan y Bri. Mae Rhys yn dod o Ryd y Waun. Ac wedyn, dyna ni. Dyna ni, there you are. Iawn? Hapus? OK, edrychwch. So, dwi'n dŵad o. This is just the T, but it shows you the pattern. Dwi'n dŵad o Dal y Bont. Didwch. Dwi'n dŵad o Dal y Bont. Dwi'n dŵad o Dre Ffynnon. Didwch. Dwi'n dŵad o Dre Ffynnon. Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. Didwch. Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. Didwch. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. T yn newid changes to D. Iawn? Hapus? OK, gawn ni weld. Da chi'n cofio, do you remember? Translate, cyfieithwch. I come from Wrexham. Dwi'n dŵad o Wrexham. Where do you come from? T. O le wyt ti'n dŵad? Where do you come from? Chi. O le da chi'n dŵad? I'm going to Spain. Dwi'n mynd I Sbaen. Yeah, OK. So, you can think where you are going and where you are doing, what you are doing, OK? If you want to say that you're going to do something, you can say, dwi'n mynd I siopa. Mutation, dwi'n mynd I ddarllen. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen. OK? If you want to say, I'm going to the shop, you put the word ir. The changes to r. Dwi'n mynd i'r shop. OK? And the r blocks the mutation unless it's a feminine noun. And if it's a feminine noun, then there is still a mutation. OK? So, gwrandwch. Dwi'n mynd i'r dosbarth. Chi? Dwi'n mynd i'r ysgol. Dwi'n mynd i'r dre. Now, dre changes from tre to dre, like Tre Ffynnon, because it's a feminine word. As you'll see, it's red, mae'n goch yn y llyfr. OK, so cofiwch, treigliad meddal yn digwydd, happens, after o and I. OK, da ni'n mynd I wneud mwy, we'll do more of this. OK, ond edrychwch, look, ar uned 4 yn y llyfr. Edrychwch ar lein ar www.dysgucymraeg.cymru for more help and ymarfer. Bob hwyl!